Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a SG-3 Platen roller and paper injector assembly in front of me. There it is right there. But the handle's broken, so we're going to put this style handle and arm and replace that. Hopefully, even though it's a different style, it will work. So let's start on this, and the start is getting the Platen knob off, and don't have to take the Platen out. Now I think these were twist on style knobs, so let's see if I can twist. I should twist that way maybe. Let's just try this side. See if I can grip this thing. And generally, I'm not even sure which way it twists, but generally when you roll the paper in, that's the way that tightens the knob, because they don't want it loosening when you roll the paper in, basically. So it should go this way. Oh, that's too tight for me to hold. So yeah, I thought I was going to need a vice grips, and so I got these channel locks, and I think these will just fit right here, and just make sure it clears this edge so you don't hit the paper pan. And it's just on the roller. Okay, get a good grip there and see. Oh yeah, there it goes. Look at that. Okay, twisty, and there she goes. So this is what drives the paper injector, drives that, rolls paper up, screws it in. Okay, let's set this aside and disassemble this cover. Okay, so this lever's got to come off down here. Let's pop this thing off with a set screw, I think. Okay. Pretty long. There it goes. Let's see if this will pry off here. Easy peasy. That screw's got to come out, so let's just do it while it's on its back here. There we go. Alright, let's flip this guy around and see what else. Oops. Let's do this screw right here. Probably a couple more. There we go. Here on the top. Get my smaller screwdriver in here. This one will loosen. Oh, yep. Okay. All right. Let's see. Wow. I think I remember. I think this piece comes off with the cover. Yeah, sure enough, it does. Look at that. So that lever is part of the cover. I remember that now. I think I've done this. All right. Let me get some more light here. And see what we can see. Let me move some of the stuff around so I can get this long carriage in a little better position to work. Okay, let's see if this lever is the same as this lever. Kind of looks a little different.
It is a little different, but this part down here looks the same. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, spring off, C-clip right here. Let's see. This little piece has got to come off. Oh, that's got a little curvature to it, so you gotta make sure that gets on there right. And it comes. Looks like it's hanging up on something. Okie dokie. Okay, this looks right. Let's see about this little paw. I'm guessing it goes down that way. And this should just slip back on. And I don't know. I'm a little worried where that little paw positioning is. So let's put this back on anyhow and see if I need to do something else. Clip is tight fit because that's spring loaded or something there. Oh, there it goes. I see. There's a little, it was hanging up on the ridge. Okay, let's get this clipped. It's in there enough. Let's see. Let's put the spring on. I don't. Yeah, see, it's not working. That paw is in the wrong place. Oh, this is out of whack. What? There's supposed to be a clip on here. Yeah, clip right there. Okay, so this is not quite right. And the So that should go in there maybe. Okay, so this needs to be pushed. I think this is gonna have to come back out. Something don't look right. Okay, remember how that goes. Take this out again. Yeah, see, this piece is out of place. That needs to go through there, and I think right there. Okay, so I'm going to rob this clip out of here and use this clip off the old one to put on the new one. Okay, that's probably better, I think. The spring needs to go that way. Alright, let's try this one more time and see if it works a little better. Okay, all the way in. Still not grabbing the ratchet. What's the deal here? Oh, maybe it is. Well, I don't know. Let's try putting it together and see what happens. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I had the camera off position. Let's put this back in, and the clip. And I'll try to get this back. Okay, so that's back in order. I think maybe let's try putting the roller back in here, or the knob, and see if this works. It's not screwing in. Something was impeding its going in here. There it goes. Definitely was being blocked by something. Yeah, see, that's not working. What the heck is happening? There's a spring missing or something. Huh. That's all in there. And this is that way. This is a stopper. Is a gravity problem here? No. Okay, I'm a little confused. I'm a little confused. Oh, maybe this is supposed to go on that side? Geez, I don't know what happened here. Oh man. I don't know what happened here, but something is not right. Take this clip off and slide this paw into a different position or something here. Like that. Move it over. Doesn't want to fit now. Oh, well, that's the same place. Oh no, it's not. Now it's grabbing. What did I do right? Okay, let's put this clip back on and just, I'm not sure what I repositioned there exactly. Hate to say. I don't care if it works, as long as it works. Clips on. Not working. Oh no, it is. Let's move this. Sometimes it works. Let's put it on this top here and see. I don't know. It kind of feels like it's not, but I think it's. Maybe it's sticking a little bit. All right, I think I got it. And, oh, let's try one more thing here. Got to take the knob back off. I need to make sure the cover fits around that arm, which I think it will. I think it's gonna fit. That's how to hang up. Oh, knob's not in. That's why it's not working. Got it. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be fine. All right, that's going to be it. I'm just going to button this guy back up and throw this one away maybe. No, I'll probably keep it just in case. So that is Olympia paper injector replacement video of the day. Good day.